Welcome home and welcome back to Rice. It's great to have you back on campus for this very special alumni weekend.
I have not been back here for a long time, and there's a lot of new stuff here.
And it's exciting to see the changes in Rice.
I had a great time here at college. I remember those years very fondly. The community, the college system, building those friendships, that was incredible.
I'm excited about the events, but I'm here to see the old friends.
I can't wait to go to the architecture building and see what the kids are working on.
We're looking forward to seeing the new quad. I'm going out for basically the run around the track. I'm thinking it's going to be very nostalgic because I used to do that when I was a student here.
I do, one loop or two almost every day.
People remember this loop because it is so nice.
We've got a full house here. Everybody's excited, so I'm thrilled to be part of this. Everybody has a custom Lego owl kit that I designed that we will build together.
I've made some really lifelong connections here, not just with the undergrad students that I was classmates with, but I have some really good friends who are employed here at Rice. Just a really great community, great culture. I love it.